When manufacturers claim that their floor mats are easy to clean, they're lying. Sure, you can clean the surface, but deep down grime and color fade, you can't get rid of that. So is Jowua the exception? All right, welcome back to the channel. Dan here from Northern Tesla. So today we are talking about floor mats. Now, if you've been on Amazon searching floor mats, there are thousands. And the thing with most floor mats though is that sure, they look good for about 3 months, and then you get that grimy, kind of gray, just faded look, and they just look old. So with Jowua, they promise to be different. They promise that they're going to hold their look for the entirety of your car. So the question is, do the Jowua mats perform as advertised? We're going to find out. So one of my favorite Jowua accessories is this tissue box. Oh, it's a nice gray this time. So you just put tissues in here. It comes in handy so much. It just opens up at the back here, and then you just fill it with tissues. You can use it for whatever else, but I use it for tissues. Now, ordinarily, it always went here. But I don't know if there's new model Y, there's not enough room. So now they send you the Jowua tissue box holder, which is this. So it kind of sits at full there, so you got a shelf. So just a bit of an update. Just a wipe down. So as you can see, I just wiped this area down with a wipe, and just with a wipe, not a wash. And you can see the difference. So it does come back really nice looking when you do wash it, or that dirty look that kind of sticks around with some of these mats. So my kids are really messy. I just did a quick vacuum, and this is what they look like. Not washed or anything like that, but you can see they still maintain, and stay nice. All right, so as you can see, after about a month of wear, they still look pretty good. And I didn't even wash them. I just kind of wiped them down, and they still really look good. Obviously, it's only been a month. Yes, I know. However, this is my third time with Jowua mats in a Tesla. My last one was probably the longest, and that was probably about a year and a half. They still look brand new. They really, all you have to do is wash them down, really scrub them, and they look brand new. They look the same day as you got them on day one. So I really enjoy them that way because you're not going to get that faded, really gross looking like no matter how many times you wash it, they're still going to look dirty. So you're not going to get that with Jowua. And what I really like about the Jowua mats is that they don't look like every other mat out there, like just a generic kind of like rubber black mat. They have a bit of character. They have an intricate design and unique color that I don't really see too many. And they're functional as well. You have that little added storage area behind the front seats, which is awesome. And then you have the back seats with that added tissue box. So they're not only look good, but they're functional as well. My few complaints with the Jowua mat is that, for one, they feel a bit slippery compared to most other mats. Most other mats, your foot will really grip on that rubber, but the Jowua mats are made of a different material, so your foot will tend to feel a bit slippery. The other issue I have is the deformation with shipping. This was just kind of like a bad, I've never seen this kind of bad. I think it's just because it's a bad spot where it's not going to, sit where it normally would unless I put my foot there all the time. Because I've had like where this kind of area was warped, and it eventually just takes that shape because it's against this all the time. Like I said, this is my third set of mats, and the first two really didn't have an issue. There was a couple things with the floor mats in the back, but once you like bend them the other way, they were really fine. With this one, there was a big bend around the driver pedal, like where the dead pedal is, and I just couldn't get it out. So it's generally not an issue. This is my third set, and the first two had no issues. And I think that was just an unlucky thing of how the box was packed as opposed to the quality of the product. So what you're seeing in this video is the all-weather floor liner combo, which comes with the driver and passenger seat as well as the rear seats and the tissue box combo as well. And that combo retails for about $270 US. However, I'm looking now and it's on sale for $224. There are other combos such as if you want to add the rear seat liners as well as the trunk and front stuff. So there's all kinds of combos that you can look at depending on your need. This is also a part of the premium essentials set as well as the all-in-one set. However, with the premium set, if you have a brand new Tesla and you're just getting it all fitted, I don't recommend the premium set because you don't get a few key essentials that you need, namely a screen protector. So if you are going to get the entire set of floor mats, which means the seats as well as the trunk and front combo, you're better off to get the all-in-one set, which gives you all that as well as the entire center console, both the center console as well as the armrest, as well as the USB hub, and importantly, a screen protector. So you get all that stuff with that. All right, if you want to get yourself some of these, head over to jowua-life.com. I will have the link below in the description and use promo code Northern Tesla for 5% off. And that's good for the entire site, so be sure to look around because they have tons of awesome accessories and check out all my other Jowua product reviews. I'll have the playlist up here or up here. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss videos, which I release about every week or so. Tons of awesome Tesla content. And who doesn't love Tesla content? I know you do. So be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I will also have my socials down here, so be sure to follow. Anyways, thanks again for watching. We'll see you next week. In the meantime, drive safe and drive electric. All right, so and that's good for the entire. And I think that was just an unlucky. And otherwise, the other issue I have is the the other issue I have is the deformation. The other issue I have is the deformation of word. It's deformation of word. Yes, deformation. The other issue I have is the deformation. That's good.